Today, we will talk about how to disassemble a sleep number bed for moving. Let's have a look at the details. Every sleep number bed is connected to an air pump and hose that adjusts your mattress to your ideal firmness. If you're moving to a new place or you simply need to move your bed to a new room, it just takes a few simple steps to take apart your mattress and the adjustable base it rests on. Whether you have a smart bed or a traditional bed, we'll show you how to dismantle your mattress and pack away its parts for your move. Keep watching to learn how. The first step is disassembling the mattress. Deflate both sides of your bed to 100. If you are moving a sleep number 360 smart bed or a mattress with an adjustable base, use your sleep number remote or the app on your phone to deflate the mattress to 100. This makes your mattress lighter and easier to move. Disassembling your bed is a two-person job, so ask a friend or family member to help you take it apart. Getting another person's help makes disassembly quicker and easier. Locate the air chamber caps near the air pump. Your sleep number bed comes with 2 white air chamber caps that are necessary for moving it, as they help prevent damage while traveling. Detach the hoses on both sides of the bed and cover each with a cap. Lift up the right side of the bed to locate the air hose running into your mattress. Just push on the tab where the hose meets the mattress and gently pull on the tube to remove it from the bed. Then press the wide air chamber cap over the hose opening on the mattress. Repeat the steps to disconnect the hose on the left side of your mattress. Bag the bed or remove the internal parts, depending on your mattress. If you have a smart bed, simply slide a plastic protective sheet over your mattress and lift it off the base with your partner. If you have a traditional bed, remove all the parts and foam pieces inside the mattress, including the air chambers, foam border walls, and corner locks. Unplug the air pump and pack it in a box. Pack the mattress parts in boxes if you have a traditional bed. Fold the air chambers to remove the air inside, and then set them in a packing box full of packing material. Then fold up the foam comfort pads, border walls, and mattress covers, and place them in a double-lined bag. This prevents the foam pieces and covers from getting wet or damaged during your move. And the second step is disassembling the adjustable base. Roll up the hose at the bottom of the bed if you have a FlexFit base. Remove the circular mattress retainers if you have a FlexFit base. Slide off the decking panels from beds with a modular base. Unscrew the speed screws to remove the top and bottom rails. Separate the bases if you have a king-sized bed. If you have a King California King or Split King bed, your bed's base is actually made out of 2 separate pieces. To separate the pieces, simply disconnect the wiring cable at the head of the bed. Then, pull the left and right sides of the base apart. Unscrew the legs and pack the base pieces into boxes. Depending on your bed type, the legs on your bed frame might be attached with wing nuts or secured by a locking mechanism. Remove them and then pack the legs, rails, decking panels, and mattress retainers in packing boxes full of packing material. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.